Hello everyone, welcome back to yet again another video. In today's video we're going to be installing these ambient lighting LED Footwell lights in my car. So yeah, let's get into the video. So these are the Footwell lights which I've bought for the car. Let's open these and have a little look at them. So you get 4 lights, one for each Footwell, so I guess passenger, driver and each in the back. They're actually really bright. I've already tested these out. I'll show you these in a minute. They come with these adhesive strips on the back, so you take them off and then stick them to, you know, the underneath bit. This is the little like reader, so that the remote works. So you press the button, change the colour and all that, and then you got the USB port which will plug in here somewhere, and then this is, I don't really know what that is, but yeah, let's get these in. Before we get them in, I'm going to show you guys that they do work and show you how they look and how they work and all that. So yeah, first of all, let's get the car started up. So they just plug into the USB. Let me show you. And then remote, switch them on, wherever the thing is. There, here are the lights. They are so bloody bright. They will be lighting up any Footwell. They are so bright. Let me show you that all the colours work. So flip them over a sec. Flip them over a sec. Flip them over a sec. Flip them over. So I'll show you that they're working. Alright, so we got purple, we got red, green, blue, white, orange, yellow, cyan and purple. You can also do these like jump, whatever. You can do like fade. This one says it does music. I don't really know how that works, to be honest with you, but yeah, let's get these sorted. First of all, I'm going to do a test fit, put them in each Footwell, make sure that they run like the wires long enough. So I'm going to go test fit them right now. So I've got them all in the Footwells. I'm just going to make sure they work all right still. They look bloody sick. I'm going to get them in a second, but they look so cold. So I haven't stuck them in yet. They're kind of just dangling there, but I'm wiring it inside of this part of like the, I don't know what this is called, the plastics. I'm wiring it round, letting it feed around here, wiring it through this plastic. I'm going to keep that sat in there for the time being, and I'm going to do the same on that side and then figure out what I'm going to do in the back. So let's just peel off this adhesive. So that was a bit of a hassle, but we got both sides in. I did it off camera because do get walking past on now and I didn't really want to be speaking to a camera. But take the adhesive strips off like I just showed you, as you stuck it up there, and then I fed the wire underneath here, as you can tell, because it comes out this side, and I'll feed it underneath here. Well, let's see how they look now that they're fully in. Wait a minute, guys. They look so sick. Like, I'm not even joking. I mean, the driver's side is a bit brighter because I'd stick it on here, but the passenger side, that still looks so cool. And in the dark, that's going to look even better. Now, I'll finish the back seats and we'll get a shot in the dark later on. So now we're moving on to this side. Underneath here, there's like a metal bar. I'm going to just stick it to that. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. I'll try to show you. You probably won't be able to see it at all, but I'm going to try to stick it onto that now, and I'll try to record more of this process this time. I'm currently sat in the back seat of my own car. I've actually never sat here before, and we're doing the final LED light. I've just finished this one. Guys, basically, I'm putting the light in and then somebody comes by every time. Like, I was just speaking to my stepdad while I was doing that one, so I couldn't record, but I'll try my best to record the whole of this one. Right, okay, cool. So, you have the LED strip light. You can see this red adhesive thing on the top. You just peel that off. Literally so simple. Let me actually double check if it's got the bar on this side. It does have the bar on that side. So you peel this adhesive strip off. Before you would peel it off, you would find out where you want to put it underneath, because I've got a little metal bar underneath each seat, so I'm going to stick it to that bar, and then you would put it on. Make sure you have somewhere to stick it to before you peel it off, because you don't want to mess that up, okay? I'm going to use the flash for this one, but up here there's like a metal bar somewhere I don't know where it is. There, that's where you want to unplug in mine in. So yeah, I don't know if you'll see this, but I'll try my best to show you everything I do. Find the metal bar, stick it right in the center, and then hold it there. Make sure that it's definitely on there. You don't want it to be falling off. Make sure I'd hold it for a few seconds, maybe 30 seconds or so, make sure it's definitely stuck on there and it's not just going to fall off. And you should be done and dusted. I'm now going to be wiring this into the plastic. I'm just going to do it around here, into the plastic there, around the cup holder, and then the excess bits, they're just going to have to stay in the cup holder. So someone in the back's not going to have a cup holder, which is unfortunate. But I'll figure something out eventually, because that is an absolute mess. It looks so sick. Lock the fucking door. Even when you're in the back, they look so cool. That is fucking awesome. It looks like a spaceship. That is sick. So I'm currently just waiting for it to get dark. As you can see, it's still a little bit light out, so I'm going to wait till it gets dark outside and I'll show you the LED lights when it is dark, because they will look fire. So now it is gone a bit more dark. Oh my god, very dark. Now it's dark out. We're going to go check out the LED lights and see what they look like in the dark. So it's now dark. So we're going to show you these lights in the dark. Yeah, let's get them on. You guys can't see, but let me show you. These look fucking wild. Look how sick these lights look. That's just my Bluetooth adapter, don't worry about that. But they look so sick. I'm gonna get some photos of these, but I am so happy with them. They look absolutely amazing in the dark. Thank you for watching today's video. Let me know in the comments what you think of these new LED Footwell lights. Also, let me know in the comments what you want to see more of. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to buy the lights for yourself. Please like, please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Hello everyone, fuck off. Yeah.